This is the BOSS Shield, which stands for Ballistic Officer Safety Shield. This is a ballistic shield. It'll stop pistol rounds. I have a Smith & Wesson Model 629 44 Magnum with a 6.5-inch barrel, and we're going to be using some Underwood ammo, 240 grain jacketed hollow points. Right in the... We got a hole in the front. It does not look like it made it through the back. Up next is 22 long rifle, and we're going to be using a Ruger LCR 22. We've got a little bitty hole right here, and there's not even a bulge on the back. Up next is 9mm. I have a Glock 19, and I'm going to be using some Underwood ammo, 9mm plus P, 147 grain jacketed hollow points. You can see the bullet right there, and it looks like it stopped that, no problem, and no bulge in the back. Up next is 45 ACP. I have a Springfield 1911, and I'm going to be using some Underwood ammo, 45 ACP plus P, 230 grain jacketed hollow points. Oh! May have to set that shield up again. So again, I can see the round right here, and it is pretty warm. There is no bulge though, so stop the 45, no problem. The next round I'm going to use is 10mm. I have a Smith & Wesson Model 610 with a 6.5-inch barrel, and I'm going to be using some Underwood ammo, 180 grain jacketed hollow points. Here is where the 10mm hit, and it's got a pretty big ring around it. You can see the bullet in there, and actually got a little bit of a bulge that time. Up next is a Desert Eagle chambered in 50 AE, topped off with a Vortex Spark 2, and I'm using some Underwood ammo, 325 grain jacketed hollow points. All right, let's go see if it stopped it. So here's where we hit with the Desert Eagle, and we did not make it through, but there is a pretty big bulge there. So I think it's safe to say that it will stop everything it's rated for, which is really awesome because it's always good to see something do what it says it will do.